You think you know geography, but most can't make it to round 3. Ready to see if you can? Which is the lowest place on Earth? Caspian Sea, Dead Sea, or Lake Asyl? B. Dead Sea. What is the deadliest predator in the Amazon? Black caiman, jaguar, or electric eel? A. Black caiman. One state in the United States is the oldest. Is it Delaware, Virginia, or Massachusetts? A. Delaware. Which country has more lake area than any other country? Canada, Finland, or Sweden? It's C. Canada. What is the smallest desert on Earth? Antarctic, Carcross, or Atacama? B. Carcross. If that felt easy, this round is where people start slipping. One country has the shortest coastline: Vatican City, Liechtenstein, or Monaco. C. Monaco. What is the tallest mountain outside Asia? Denali, Aconcagua, or Kilimanjaro? B. Aconcagua. Which desert has no rain? Is it Namib, Atacama, or Gobi? B is correct, Atacama. Has a town where the sun does not set for about 4 months? Norway, Iceland, or Sweden? It's A. Norway. Name the highest capital city: Quito, Thimphu, or La Paz? It's C. La Paz. Africa is about how many times larger than Greenland? 14, 10, or 18 times larger? Answer A. 14 times. Which country has no official capital city? Tuvalu, Kiribati, or Nauru? C. Nauru. Widely regarded as one of the oldest continuously inhabited capitals: Athens, Damascus, or Cairo? B. Damascus. Libya is roughly what percent desert? 75%, 85%, or 90%? It's C. 90%. Sahara dominates much of North Africa. The northernmost permanent settlement is in which country? Russia, Norway, or Canada? A. Russia. What is the flattest country on Earth? Is it Netherlands, Maldives, or Bangladesh? B. Maldives. The largest island group in the world is the Malay Archipelago, Oceania, Pacific Ocean, or Southeast Asia? Correct answer is Southeast Asia. Which country is known for having a very large elevation range? China, Nepal, or Peru? A. China. Which country has the highest lowest point? Switzerland, Lesotho, or Bhutan? B. Lesotho. One ocean is dirtier. Which is it? Atlantic, Pacific, or Indian? It's B. Pacific. You're about to hit the part most people can't handle. France's longest land border is with which country? Spain, Belgium, or Brazil? C. Brazil. Which country is home to most of the world's largest river delta? Bangladesh, India, or Vietnam? Choice A. Bangladesh. Which country has a capital city that is below sea level? Azerbaijan, Netherlands, or Egypt? Azerbaijan. A hidden forest inside a massive sinkhole is found in which country? China, Brazil, or Mexico? B. Brazil. One has the smallest land border in the world at about 85 meters. Is it France, Spain, or Andorra? It's Spain. Choice B. France and the Netherlands share a border on which island? Aruba, Curacao, or St. Martin? C. St. Martin. Which island switches between two countries every 6 months? Pheasant, Hans, or Macquarie Island? A. Pheasant Island. One region is widely recognized as an unclaimed part of Antarctica. Would it be Marie Byrd Land, Queen Maud, or Ross Dependency? It's A. Marie Byrd Land. Which phantom island turned out not to exist? High Brazil, Friesland, or Sandy Island? C. Sandy Island. Has a river that flows through its capital and into a neighboring country's capital? Austria, Slovakia, or Hungary? B. Slovakia. The opposite side of the world from Hawaii is in which country? Botswana, Namibia, or Zimbabwe? Botswana is the correct choice. What is the tallest known tree called? Is it General Sherman, Hyperion, or Centurion? B. Hyperion. Most of the world's population lives in which hemisphere? Northern, Eastern, or Western? A. Northern. Which lake holds about 20% of Earth's unfrozen freshwater? Superior, Tanganyika, or Baikal? It's C. Baikal. The longest commercial flight travels between which cities? Doha to Auckland, Singapore to New York, or Dubai to LA? B. Singapore to New York. This is where even the best start second guessing. Which mountain is actually closest to space? Is it Everest, Chimborazo, or Denali? B. Chimborazo. You can walk between two countries on ice. Where? USA and Canada, Norway and Sweden, or Russia and Finland? USA and Canada. Would you walk it? What is the deepest hole ever drilled called? Kola borehole, Mariana shaft, or Vostok drill? A. Kola borehole. Earth's temperature extremes differ by roughly how much? 120 Celsius, 160, or 146? C. 146 degrees Celsius. The shortest commercial flight is about how long? 2 minutes, 57 seconds, or 90 seconds? B. 57 seconds. Bonus question. In which U.S. state is the Grand Canyon located? Nevada, Utah, or Arizona? Comment your answer. Thanks for playing and remember to subscribe to stay Quizmar smart.